Hello students, welcome to Smart World, the School of Complete Education. I, Sayyed Rubina, I heartily welcome you in Science Online session. Children, from last 2 weeks, we started lesson number 5, Food Safety. And in that we have studied about various kinds of food sources, the nutrients which obtained from that food and the function of the nutrients in our body. Apart from this, we have studied about food wastage and food storage and preservation. In this session, I am going to teach you about food adulteration. Adulteration of food. What does it mean? This is very new concept for you. But it is very important to know about adulteration of food. So let's proceed further. What is food adulteration? Adding cheaper substances of low quality to the food to gain more profits is called food adulteration. The adulterants are harmful for health and consuming such food is wrong. Adding cheaper substances. Cheaper means what? The substance which cost is low. If we are adding these cheaper substances of low quality to the food, then what happens? The quality of that food becomes lower. That is unfit for consumption. This is called food adulteration. To understand this phenomena well, let us discuss about the table which is given on page number 38. In that table there are 2 columns, foodstuff and adulterant. So let us discuss that. First foodstuff is milk. And which adulterant are using in the milk? Water and urea. Milk is adulterated by milk vendor with water and urea. Second foodstuff is red chili powder. Red chili powder is adulterated with brick powder. Brick powder means what? Vitansa bhuga. It is just look like a red chili powder. So easily they are adulterating red chili powder with brick powder. In the third column, they have given us seeds of papaya as an adulterant. And which foodstuff is adulterated with seeds of papaya? That is black pepper. Both shape, size, color is same. So easily they can adulterate black pepper with seeds of papaya. Seeds of papaya is it is not very costly. So they are mixing with the black pepper. Fourth foodstuff is ice cream. Ice cream is adulterated with washing powder and paper pulp. Paper pulp means what, children? In Marathi we can say kagdacha lagda. If we soak waste paper in the water for more than 10 hours, then it converts into paper pulp which looks like ice cream, and easily we can adulterate ice cream with the paper pulp. And another one is washing powder. The health of all people, young and old, poor or rich, is endangered by food adulteration. Different types of adulterants affect our health in different ways. Some adulterants cause abdominal discomfort or poisoning, while some may affect the functioning of some organs if consumed over a long period of time or even cause cancer. See children, it is very dangerous to eat adulterated food. We should not eat adulterated food. So, here we will discuss the ways of food adulteration. First point is removing the important components of food. For example, removal of fat content of milk, essence of cloves, cardamoms, etc. This is the first way of food adulteration. Second, adding harmful color to food. Third, mixing of a low quality, inedible or cheaper material to food. And the last one is mixing of material like small stones, fine sands, iron fillings, urea, dung of horse, sawdust, etc., which are harmful. So in this way, there are some ways of food adulteration. Because of this adulteration of food, the health is affected by food adulteration. So for this, some laws are there against food adulteration. Parliament passed the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act in the year 1954. This law has been amended from time to time. By the amendment of 1976, there is a provision of life imprisonment for the person who does food adulteration with a harmful substance. Life imprisonment means उम्रकैद, जन्मठेपेची शिक्षा होते त्याला. Now the direction of the law. Food should be properly stored. The food should be stored properly. Packing material should not be endanger the food or medicine. Clear and legible information should be there on packets about the manufacturing date, expiry date, and instruction for food storage. So here are the some point which is given in the direction of the law. In the next point, we will study how will you find out if food has been adulterated. You can see the table which is given on page number 38. So we will see that food material one by one. Let us consider first milk. In the milk, if you want to find out whether it is adulterated with water, then very simple test is there. Put a drop of milk on a glass slide and slightly incline it to spread the drop. If the spread mark of milk does not appear milky white, then water must have been added to it. In this way, we can find out that the milk is adulterated with water. This is very simple test. This taste you can do at home also. Our second food material is red chili powder. In this, which adulterant they are using? Brick dust. Brick dust means विटेचा चुरा. How you will perform the taste? Take a spoonful of chili powder in a beaker. Add water up to half of the beaker. Stir it and leave it undisturbed for a few minutes. If after some time a red layer is seen settle at the bottom of the beaker, it must have been adulterated with brick dust. And if such adulterated red chili powder we eat, then we have to face many stomach disorder. Our health get damaged. So by using this simple test, we can find out red chili powder, how it is adulterated. Our next food material is turmeric powder. Mostly it is adulterated with methanol yellow. Then how you will come to know that it is adulterated? See, take a pinch of turmeric powder in a test tube. Add a small quantity of water to it. Shake the mixture and add a few drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid. HCl means hydrochloric acid. The mixture becomes red on addition of concentrated hydrochloric acid, and the red color does not disappear if methanol yellow is present. See, very simple experiment. You have to take a pinch of turmeric powder in a test tube. Then add a small quantity of water. Shake the mixture and add HCl. The mixture becomes red on addition of concentrated hydrochloric acid, and the red color does not disappear if methanol yellow is present. If the turmeric powder is adulterated, then the red color will not disappear. In this way you can taste turmeric powder. And our last food material is rava. Rava is adulterated with fine iron fillings. Very simple. Taste it is. What you have to do, just spread the rava in a plate, then pass a magnet through the rava. If the rava is adulterated with the fine iron fillings, then iron fillings stick to the magnet and rava get separated. So by knowing this small experiment, you can taste the food items at home also or in the laboratory also. At last, I want to say that we should not eat adulterated food material which is not good for our health. So here I want to end my session. I hope that you must have understand whatever the topic here I have explained, that is food adulteration. Thank you.